Hi guys, I am back with another video. Offset buys Cardi B a very expensive bird cage. Let's get into it. Y'all know Valentine's Day just passed. Cardi B, Offset, and Culture went to Paradise. They had a whole bunch of fun. It was nice where they were, and now they're on a boat and all of this stuff, and he gets her this bird cage. Oh my gosh, very expensive bird cage, and everybody's talking about it. If you got the money to do it, what's the problem? They got the money, they got all that kind of money, so it's their money. Don't feel no type of way because they spending their money like they want to spend their money. They made their money, they can spend it how they want to. People always saying, oh, they could spend it on this or they can't spend it on that. They made the money. They work hard for that money to do what they want to do with that money. When you make that money, then you do with it what you want to. When you get all extra rich like that, make sure you're doing all the stuff that you say they can do with their money. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go ahead and get into this video. Here we go.
You like it? Paradise, paradise. You're swimming like a mermaid.
No, I'm like a dolly.
You a dolly?
Yeah, dolly.
Okay, you're a dolly.
I need to fall naturally. They want me to get the combing.
No, it's good. Guys, just know I'm in trouble with Offset. Loving you is all that I wanna do. I can't.
You know what I'm saying? You trying to be fancy for your girl? What is this?
Okay, it's a croquette with a quail egg. Eat it. Let me see.
Hell no, I'm not finna eat that with no board.
Taste it.
That shit got a rotten egg in the middle of that motherfucker. Hell no, I'm not finna eat that with no board.
Taste it.
That shit got a rotten egg in the middle of that motherfucker.
It's cooked like over easy or something. Try it. This is what you pay, baby. This is really what you pay for. Quail egg, croquette. It's a croquette with a quail egg. Taste it.
Me don't know. What is this?
It's a salad. Let's taste it.
Like a lemon that ain't done growing yet right now.
I found it.
Let me see.
I
I don't like orange. I don't like fruits on my salad, so.
but you.
She stole the show, y'all.
Stole my date.
What is this?
Nah, you're liking it.
This tastes like some sardine cracker.
I'm gonna call you Mr. Chicken Tenders.
Man, is this a flower? Finally, the real food. Okay, then.
And this, I know you love it, so it was a part.
Yes, sir.
Is that cheese on it?
It's Hollandaise sauce.
Okay.
All right?
This girl's so fine. Make no sense.
Give me some money.
Thank you.
I got more.
Thank you. We're supposed to have a romantic dinner, but Miss Ma'am,
Hi.
Miss Ma'am.
Look at Paul.
Thank you, babe.
You welcome.
I love you.
For you too.
Fun fact, guys. I told myself 2 years ago I was never going to buy me another paddock because I lost both paddocks. But my baby, let me have one. I love you.
For you too.
My kiss.
Happy Valentine's.
Thank you, babe.
The big paddock.
Hey. You like Latavia. The red glasses. Rock and roll.
No.
No, Daddy, you sing us too hard.
Sir, Valentine's. Yeah, that's 25 bands right there. We gonna hurt you, bro. Bitches in there. You dig?
That's for me.
It's for you. No.
Finesse.
That's for this for me.
It's to me.
Oh, thank you. It's a flower.
You're so nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I have a kiss? Please? Have a kiss?
It's all.
Thanks.
No, no.
Can I have a kiss?
It's me.
Thank you.
No love? No loving for me? There it is. Come here. Can I have a kiss? You gonna poke your lips out and I give it to me? Please?
Chico.
Please? Thank you.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Culture.
That was very nice. Make sure you go over and watch the other video of Valentine's Day part number 1. But anyway, y'all comment down below. Give me a thumbs up on my video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. Subscribe to my other channels if you hadn't already. Make sure you check me out on social media. Make sure you check out my shop. Make sure you go over and subscribe to Bang a Plate Gang. Bang a Plate Gang. It doesn't hurt you to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Go support your girl. Make sure you go check out my shop. And make sure you click that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, be blessed.
Anyway, enough of that stuff.